So first you want to start off by grabbing a cup and filling it up with a little bit of water. I only use the tiniest amount because I like my coffee to be pretty strong, but you can add more or less depending on your preference. Next, you want to go ahead and microwave your water for about a minute. You can also boil your water if you want to, but honestly I just throw it in the microwave because it's way easier and faster. Now you can go ahead and grab your cup out of the microwave, but just be really careful because it's going to be pretty hot. So today I'm going to be using instant coffee. This is a Nescafé Clásico, but you could use whichever coffee that you have. So I found that using 2 teaspoons of this instant coffee is the best ratio for the amount of water that I use. But like I said, if you're using less or more water, then you could adjust the ratio. After you've added your coffee, you're going to want to go ahead and stir so that way the water can help the instant coffee dissolve. I always make sure to stir the coffee really well because I don't want to taste any coffee grounds when I'm drinking the coffee. Now I'm just adding ice. I add the ice first because I like it to cool down the coffee. So for creamer, I use this almond milk creamer. It's a caramel flavor and it's by the brand Natural Bliss. I highly recommend it. This is really what makes the drink come together. Definitely check it out and try it if you haven't already. So I kind of just eyeball this step and I pour in enough creamer till it gets to the color I like, which is just like a medium caramelly color. So yeah, I kind of have to stir it to see what color it is, and then I'll go ahead and add more if I need to. So I do add a bit of creamer, as you can see, just because I like my drinks to be more on the sweeter side. I mean, you could even add sugar to this if you wanted. So now I'm going to be adding this unsweetened vanilla almond milk. This is just my milk of choice, but of course, like I said, this is completely customizable, so you could use any different kind of milk. So this is the end result. It actually looks really pretty and it tastes even better. I like to drink my iced coffee with a straw, so I went ahead and added the silicone one. So before you go ahead and drink your iced coffee, go ahead and give it a really good stir so that everything is mixed together really well. Alright guys, you already know I had to do a taste test on camera, and I can say it tasted bomb. You guys should definitely try this recipe. I highly recommend it. It's like my new thing now. I look forward to drinking it every morning. Alright guys, I really hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope you try out this recipe, and if you do, please tag me on Instagram. My @name is in the description like always. Thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!